Hello, if you want to clean your Apple Watch Series 10, first of all, you will have to just power off your watch by using the power button. Click right here, slide, and simply turn it off. You will have to remove both bands, the left one and the right one, and you will have to actually wipe the case with a non-abrasive lint-free cloth and slightly damped with a fresh water. And for tougher spots, you can actually use a bit of mild soap if needed. And by the way, avoid water on speakers or ports, like direct. So the speaker is right here. Be sure that you are gonna remember this one when you're gonna try to clean your watch, and dry everything thoroughly before reattaching the band or simply using your watch again. So it's very important to get out of this water when you actually finish the cleaning. And this is it. This is like base information. If you want to clean the screen and don't scratch, I'm using actually the microfiber cloth, and the same for the sensors if they are like some greasy marks and stuff like this. So you can do this with the dry wipe. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.